Hi
Hi
guys!
guys, this is my Nima.
And this is Arella for today's kwentuhan while nasa park kami. Here's my question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Ikaw naman humawa. What is your favorite,
Subject.
I'm done with that TV show?
Jurassic World.
Actually, it's a movie. It's not a show.
Nasa YouTube yun.
Oo nga, it's a movie. It's a long movie. Mga show lang na napapanood mo sa YT. Mga small video, sa short videos lang. TV show, yung mga 30 minutes show. Kasi yung Jurassic World, it's a movie already. Mga TV show lang, yung palagi napapanood sa YT TV.
Imaginary Friend.
Uy, that's a movie!
Oo nga.
And you haven't watched that before Paano mo masasabing favorite mo?
Nanood ko na trailer
A trailer lang yon. I'm asking about TV show.
Last
Sorry.
Daily.
How was that?
Last Daily.
Don't eat that.
Last Daily.
Okay. Ako rin, favorite ko yan. What do you like about Nas Daily?
Wooden Tesla.
Apa? What do you like about Nas Daily?
Wooden Tesla.
What's that? What's that?
Yung Tesla na wooden.
Oh. Is that connected with Nas Daily?
Yes.
Why? He did that?
No. Someone built it.
Someone built it.
Yes.
Okay. So there's a wooden Tesla. Uy!
Ate dyan!
Na
Bye-bye, Ate Leia!
there's a wooden Tesla na na-build
Ate Leia!
na na-build and then tapos si finiture ni Nas Daily sa vlog niya.
Mima!
Kilala niyo po ba si Nas Daily? Nakakatawa yung mga videos.
Okay. Matututo yung mga kids, yung mga ma-entertain sila.
Oo. And you're learning something from Nas Daily. Yung mga hindi mo na pag-aaralan sa school, ayun, malalaman mo kay Nas Daily. So, favorite ko rin siya.
Yung parang may sinasabi niya girlfriend niya, may introduce girlfriend niya din. Masasabi naman, parehas naman sila smart
Oo. Basta, magandang mga videos ni Nas
Basta tingnan
Daily.
nyo guys, spell yun, Nas Daily.
Maraming matututunan kay Nas Daily. Yeah, he's traveling different parts of the world.
Yes.
Tapos yun, marami siyang naiba-vlog about different countries. Ako rin naaliw din ako sa kanya. So, that's Arella's favorite show. Yeah, okay. That's good naman. Okay, thank you for watching our video.
Bye.
Please follow us.
Bye.
God bless.
God bless.
Ang baby namin. Dali. Stop it.
Bye.